25th May 2021. The total number of new cases is 957. The total number of recoveries is 755. The total number of active cases is 7,971. Out of this, 4,259 are in East Kasales, 1,312 in Ribhoi district. The total number of deaths is 19, 14 in East Kasales, 2 West Jaintia Hills, 1 in South Garo Hills, and 2 in East Jaintia Hills. Kini gilong kijing penbena kibaya bat COVID-19 mentakasi arpsan tarik benai me arhajar arpuai. Kikis kibatamai mentakasi kilong tandai spa san penyo. Kibari cover new spa san pesan. Baro kelum langki active case kilong new hajar kendai spa new puai. But nakini sau hajar aspa san kendai kidan hapo East Kasales. Si hajar lai spa khadar hapo Ribhoi. But kibakhlad no mentakasi kilong khat kendai. Khat sau hapo East Kasales district, ar hapo West Jaintia Hills, iwe hapo South Garo Hills, but ar hapo East Jaintia Hills. Kini kilong kijing penbena kiwe day bat COVID-19, but ki bahamnya nginang pa pada kam sibet belisibut.
Okay, friends. Again, today afternoon, review meeting was held under the chairmanship of our Honorable Chief Minister, where few issues were discussed. Number one, we have decided again to generate more rooms or to ramp up more bed capacity in and around Shillong. Health Department and all the concerned department. Today morning, they have inspected ITI office building at Renja. Number 2, BTC at Malki. That new building it was just completed recently. And number 3, Directorate of Commerce and Industries at Nongrim Hills. After due deliberation, we decided to set up Corona centers in these 3 places, namely ITI Renja, BTC Malki, and Commerce and Industries Directorate, which generation of additional beds will be made available for not less than 150 beds. And this will be made functional at the earliest possible. So the government has decided in the review meeting to create more bed capacity within these 3 places. Haka review meeting apok jelam jong Chief Minister Bodon Murom jongi mentaka janmit. Badadin benglayo yak report na kaliang jong ka health department, na kaliang jong DHS, na kaliang jong ki department baper. Badadin bakilalik pek ya ki katu kat Italy ki building jong ka sorkar. Kabakentup ya ka ITI kampus hangte ya po renja. Ka BTC building jong ka education hangne ya po malki. But ka wepat ka directorate jong ka commerce and industries hapo nong rebuilds. Hakaba ladangi penkela syaka corona care center yakini ki lightly ijaka ngin yo additional ya ki jakat hiak jong kinongpang la kumnu omduna ya kai sispa san thau jing thiak bat ka sorka menta ka janmit kala ai ya ka order syaka health department rengkat syaka district administration ba kinsdang no yakini ki lightly ki jaka ban penkela syaka corona care center kloi kat bala na kabenta ka presyo ka bajur ha ka jingwan jong kin nongpang ki bayo yaw nu covid man kaski ka banangkiw na kapor sa kapor kata kade ka we ka benta ka ngisim ya karai menta ka janmit. The second discussion that we had today is relating to the issue of the expenditure which has to be met by the concerned patient in different private hospitals. The government has a detailed discussion. We are working out. And we have again asked Health Department to work out towards the solution of helping the patient admitted in different private hospitals for treatment, for medical treatment. Therefore, today we have asked Health Department to bring up details again within 48 hours, where ultimately government will take a final call on this, how to go about it. And number 2, we also discuss about the plight of those deceased family who died out of COVID-19. Again, this issue also was entrusted to Health Department to work it out. What assistance can be done from the government side? And again, this issue within 48 hours, we have given time to Health Department to work it out, and thereafter, I will come back to you for a final decision on these 2 important issues. Menda ka janmit haka review meeting ngia keren ya ka jing ka jisitom jong kin nong pang haka jing yo ya uneu jing pang COVID-19 kiba hap ban sya sumar haki hospital ki private hospital ki ba per ngilaya yo ru ya ke jing ut ke babun na ki paj ba Kamtam na kayeng kasem gitu kinongpang. Ya kajing rem kajaka sumar. Ka health department bakin walk out lene bakin pa ke government ya ka proposal kumno ban le khnang bang le sin na kalang sarkar ngila ya ka ban pej kumno bangin don benta ha ka ban weng ya ka ni kicinghe ka baki duk kisuk ki bapli ki rangli ki juki ya kendu man ka sngi ha ka ni ka case jong ka ni ka COVID-19 de ngila IT ya ka health department bat ngila IT ru ban ngila ong yaki baki de ban pendep ya ka ni ka kam ya kiumtin ya ki ba e ba thoi lani ya ki kme ki pa ki jong di ka e ka bangila ban le na ka liang jong ko sarkar ti hapo ka sau pho pra kanta ngan sa pentip ya phi hadin ba ka sarkar ka sim ya karai ti na ka liang jong ko sarkar ya don rengkat bat ki yeng ki sem kitu ki ba mat ya ka jing ngosi ki ba mat ya ka jing thang ha ka man sim ko jong ki iwei pe wei bat na ka liang jong ka sarkar ngi ya ai man sim lang ngi don bentalang bat ki ha kajing kit bok kit ruyang bakin yo ya kamet ka ba shat ka ba khlan ya ki khon ki ti ya ki bhai ke ba sen baro nang ta ka wei pat ka benta ka balai. The third point that we discussed today is again for creation of more beds in the CHC as well as PHC level throughout the state. We thought that we need to have a corona care center up to the level of PHCs. CHCs and PHCs. In each and every PHCs and CHCs, at least 20 beds. Each CHCs and each PHCs. This model, I think it will be useful for those people staying in different jurisdiction of the respective CHCs and PHCs. Again, this model is being discussed. We have discussed today, and again we ask this issue once again to Health Department to work out the detailed plan and come back to the government again within 48 hours. Hakabidai nakamenta kinong kendong ya kajing sumar nakamenta jong une uknyang jing pangu COVID-19 kladon ka proposal na kaliang jo ka health department bangidai banpu lakum no khatsan le ne artho jing thia hakawei pagawei ka CHC bat kawei pagawei ka PHCs hakeleng saudong jong kejela ka jongi ti yakani ka model ngi sem na kaliang sarkar bakolong ka babiang ka babit kumtang ngi IT biang haka health department bahkan work out ye detail berkoit namar pi ladengi kren ni kata kamde ka basuk bangin sia raino namar ngikwa banda tip katnu ke jinglut lane katnu ngi don kamban pulut sibnai lane sisngi hakabede bat kini ki centers ki bangin penmi na kabenta kajik sumaria kani ke jingpang te kumtangi IT biang sapo ka health department bakin work out ye details baro pada po saupo pergenta kumangopi kinsa wanra haga government haga ba ngin sim ya karai bat hadin nang ta ngin saya pentip lembah jong pi ki media baro ba pila ban pentip pajba na kamta ka jing tip jong kinong song snong jong jela jong ibro ka wei sakawei pat karai. Then the last point that we discussed today is relating to the plight of the farmers. Today, Agriculture Department has brought the proposal shops or retail markets. Wholesale and retail as indicated below. Number one, Fifth Mile Farmers Market. Fifth Mile Farmers Market. And this market will be run by men of Meghalaya. The second one is Seventh Mile Farmers Market, Umdingpur, run by the Sanshong Welfare, jointly run by the Dorbar, local Dorbar Shnong. This is where we identify, and that is ISBT, Maoyong. But this one we are yet to take a decision because consultation on the job. Once the consultation process is over, then the next traders kecing isu ya kita karpas kiba ya day bat ki marep ki mariang bajia ki mariang bajia apo is kasils bat syakiwe kiwe ruki district tementa ke janmit ke gomen ke ong ba nang ni sekpat hakabidei bat men ke ong ba nang ni sekpat hakabidei bat kakam agriculture la pilong kaya di kiatit ka jingkit ya ki marep ki mariang ka agriculture du officer rengkang du officer rengkat bat kapor jong district and session kat bat kapor jong district and session kenang ban pensuk ai bangin kinong rep kinong riang bat kinong kiba supply keleng bijaka po kejela jongi bat kumju ru kiba supply syabar jong kejela kejeni. Okay, if you have any question please.
Habire begini kinong rep na boy ham tam kum ka sning blog berkene kam hoir bong blog to ko menen bong taya
Will the government form a committee to examine the rates we are being charged by the private hospital to COVID-19 patients?
I think I've already known you from your baby. We discussed. I think I've already known you from your baby. We discussed this issue. So within 48 hours time, we have already asked the health department to bring out proposal or solution towards this.
Nama ko it depends. Nama don teng kibahapan sumar hadu artayo. Don kibatang sitayo. Nang ta ka percentage of severity keba hadu kanu kajur. Dengan try i dia ches jongin kamla susu ban batai bahai kada.
Kini ki kasong met agajing sistem agajing jur dengan sistem wai kasi ar pedeka dunano te kita kata mong IP kita ketiga average kemong ya ndeng nilai keren bat ki nilai ya meru mendin bang yellow meeting te kumba ong sir mentan kamot ya ka final call hi ya ka rai ka bakadu
So with regards to demand bahwa di market center
That also I think HSC can explain. But from the government side, we will make sure that enough is for nurses who have completed their studies and we have put them in the result that we have. So as and when required, we are taking them and providing teaching as and when needed.
So this, so this question is for any your thought on this?
Itu iba sistem ki consult gini kita sa po di hospital, Virginia Civil Hospital, ki ai ka tu ka teleconsulting.